So over here, you can see that I have a form with multiple pages. So if I were to go around and click on preview form right here, then what happens is that I do have an option to click back and next right here to navigate in between the pages. But if you want to go ahead and then show out tabs instead of just the next and back button right here, that is possible by using the Form Tabs widget. So to do that, you need to click on Add Element, and then you need to click on Widget right here. And then what you need to do is you need to go ahead and scroll down until you find the Form Tabs right here. Go ahead and click, and then there you go. There's the Form Tab widget right here. So page tabs will appear on top of your form as it says right here. So just like this, you can see that this is what you have. Let me just go ahead and drag it over here on the top. So this is what I have. So around over here, if I were to go to widget setting, you can see the tab title as like, let's say, for example, page 1, page 2. So let's just go ahead and say, let's say, for example, home, and I'm going to say final, mid, according to what I have here actually. So mid and end, let's say, for example, allow navigation without validation. Let's say yes right here, and allow the form heading to be shown above the tab. So let's just say yes. Theme, I can go ahead and select the theme as I want. And I can even add in custom CSS as needed. So apart from that, if I were to go to properties, you can go ahead and then change the alignment right here for this particular section as well, and enable and disable the label for it as well, and even change the width and height and use the advanced field right here. But I don't really need to worry about those. So if I were to go ahead and click on preview form right here, then you can actually see the home, the final, mid, and end. And you can jump in between different pages by clicking on them, as you can see. And whatever, like let's say, for example, the theme you chose, you can see that the same theme gets applied. Let me just go ahead right here onto widget setting, and let's just go ahead and change the theme to, let's say, Mikado yellow. So let's just go ahead and update, and then preview out the form right here, just like this. And as you do that, you can see that this is what you have. So that is basically how you can go ahead and then work around with the Form Tabs widget inside of Jotform. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.